They have to indoctrinate them at a young age, I guess. I said they have to indoctrinate them at a young age, you know.
Have a good time.
God. You support poisoning our children. Good job. It is. Our whole entire world has got fucked. The only way we can stop it is a tax revolt. Tax revolt. Stop giving them more money. Tax revolt. Stop paying your credit cards. Stop paying your mortgages. Stop paying your lines of credit. Let's watch the banks collapse. I'm not kidding. 1 month of not getting everybody's mortgage payments, they would be gone. People are like, oh no, they'll come after my house. They won't have anybody to hire anybody to come after us because they won't have any wage to pay them. And tax revolt. April 1st. Everybody put their taxes in late.